Santana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best, and the Rolf. Early lead is taken by the Vega, guided missile on the outside, Something New moving up on the inside to grab the lead. It is now Something New, the favorite, leading the field, followed by the Vega, Presidential, Mr. G, and guided missile. The mid-back stretch, it is still Something New in the lead, followed by Presidential in second. On the outside is the Vega, Mr. G, and guided missile. Nearing the far turn, entry number 1, the favorite Something New, leading the field by a length and a half, followed by Presidential, and the Vega moving up on the outside in third, and here comes Mr. G moving up on the outside in fourth and closing in. Rounding the far turn, it's Something New in the lead, followed by Mr. G on the outside, Presidential, and the Vega moving up on the outside. And into the home stretch, it is still entry number 1, Something New in the lead. It's Something New by the rail, moving up on the outside, Mr. G, the Vega on the farther outside, and Presidential. But it's still Something New in the lead, followed by Mr. G now moving up on the outside, Something New by the rail, Mr. G moving up on the outside, Mr. G on the outside, Something New by the rail. And at the payoff line, it's Mr. G, Something New, the Vega, Presidential, guided missile.
413 ang ating